Pregnancy exercises for keeping the back and pelvis mobile. Having a mobile pelvis is important during pregnancy. Here are some exercises that we find very useful for keeping the back, pelvis and arms moving nicely. Here Lucy is moving forward and backwards in the sagittal plane. She takes a step forward with her left leg and raises her right arm above her head. This can be repeated any number of times, but she's doing it about 4 or 5 times on both sides. Now she's moving in the transverse plane. She's letting her arms swing freely around her sides and having a little bend in her knees as she does so. This loosens up the mid-back, lower back and both hips all at the same time. Lastly, she's moving in the frontal plane. This is a side-to-side movement, concentrating on moving her head down to the right to start with. Now she's moving her head down to the left. Notice that she's not going too far with this. She's listening to her body and being sensible with the amount of exercise she does. Here's a kneeling hip opening exercise. This is quite a powerful exercise and can cause some discomfort in the back knee. If that's the case, then please don't do this. She moved her arm just then in the sagittal plane, and now she's moving in the frontal plane. These are similar to the exercises you've just done, but with the back leg kneeling. We find this very useful for releasing tight hips and tight groins during pregnancy. Here she just moved the leg outwards slightly, and this exaggerates the stretch into her hip flexors. Lastly, we have an advanced hip opening exercise. She's got her leg up on something that's around thigh height. Could be a chair, in this case it happens to be a treatment table. And she moves into all 3 planes. She's gently got her hand resting on the back base of her spine in this particular movement, going to transverse plane.